All right, we got some Totino's Pizza Roll Rangoons. I mean, let's just break, let's look at that. Look at that. Oh. Welcome back, let's get into it. I'm gonna show you how to make some Pizza Roll Rangoons. Let's get it. So first things first, let's get started on the filling. Grab some pepperoni and start cutting it into small little pieces. It doesn't matter the exact cut, just get it similar to what's inside of a pizza roll, just small little chunks. After that, go ahead and finely chop some garlic cloves. For this, we use 2. Don't worry about perfection, just cut them up. Then grab your favorite cheese of choice. I really like pepper jack. Cube it up. We're gonna go for nice small little chunks so that when this thing fries, you're gonna have a nice stringy cheese pull. I found what works best here is cut them into matchsticks, stack them on top of each other, and then cube them up really easy. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of oil to our saute pan. We're gonna add our pepperoni in and cook on medium to reduce some of those oils out of that pepperoni. After that cooks for roughly 2 minutes, add in your garlic cloves and mix around. Then go ahead and get yourself a can of tomato paste. I really like Totino. I think it has a really good flavor and it makes a really good sauce. Add 1 full can and then fill that can up with water and add that in. Use your spatula, mix everything together, get it all nice and incorporated, and then we're gonna be on to the seasoning. For this, I use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and basil. Honestly, use what feels right. That's what cooking's all about anyway. You just gotta go with what the heart says. Let your sauce reduce on low for roughly 10 minutes and then move into a small bowl. The sauce is just about wrapped up. We're gonna finish it off with even more freshly cut pepperoni and then add in our cheese chunks from earlier. For this recipe, I only used half a block of cheese and it made roughly 12 crab rangoon. Once the cheese is added, give it a little mix and get everything nice and incorporated because now we're gonna be on to the filling. Grab your wonton wrappers and get them all laid out. I brushed my corners with egg wash so that way they would seal nice and easy. If you don't wanna use eggs, water is a perfect substitute. This part doesn't have to look pretty, you just want to make sure that you have an even coating all the way around so it seals very tight. Now it's time to fill them. Be careful not to overfill because it's going to get messy in the fryer, but just simply use a spoon and make them nice and consistent. Okay, so an easy method to fold these. Lay it out in your hand, take your index finger and your thumb on both hands and just push it together. Don't worry about breaking it, it's going to be fine. I'm going to do a few more of them here for you, so just watch close. Okay, so now you want to get your oil nice and hot. We're rocking roughly 300 degrees. Toss them in. They're only going to cook for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. These are super easy to make. They're great for Super Bowl parties or just if you love rangoons. Thanks for watching this video today. Guys, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see on future episodes. All right, we got some Totino's Pizza Roll Rangoons. I mean, let's just break this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Why is this not a thing? Like, you see these? You see these? No. No. This. You gotta try more of these recipes out. Please like, subscribe, and comment on what you want to see. Let me know what you want me to make next. I got you. Peace.